Mr. Chunk. Okay. Do you want fed? You want fed? You like it, eh? You like your new tank ornaments. Yes, you do. Little chunky poos.